Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today we are going to be doing a multi-layered heart look for our Valentine's Day nail art. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Or you can alternatively do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of French kiss, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Candy Shop and the gel polish brush, pull your brush diagonally down the nail to create a heart. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Little Charmer and the gel polish brush, pull your brush diagonally down the nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Back to the Fuchsia and the gel polish brush, pull your brush diagonally down the nail and cap the free edge. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.